Canada has opened a new immigration pilot program that I feel is important for me to share with you. I'm going to share the eligibility criteria, the things you need to gather, the documents that you need in order to take advantage of this opportunity. See, you know how I do it. I always share my screen so that I can see how you can get a job. And if this is something you feel you want, just tell me that you're ready for ready. Yeah, it's called Reddit. Yeah, it's called the Rural Economic Development Through Immigration. So I'm ready for Reddit. If this is something that people are interested in, then I'll keep sharing videos on Canada. At least once a week I would do that. But if the demand is not high, then I might just stick with those in the UK. We need to survive in the UK already. Anyway, if you like content on immigration, the UK, Canada, then you might consider to subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell so that each time I drop a new video, you'll be amongst the first people to see that video. And my name is Cynthia, and let's get into this video. The name of this program is Regional Economic Development Through Immigration Ready Pilot. I will add the link to this particular page in the description box because it's the starting point to link to other pages we are going to open. I told you I'll show you all the jobs we need to apply for. So just type in ready for ready in the comment box. Okay, let's just go. This program is being launched by the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program. I told you the advantage of being nominated by a province is that it will boost your CRS score. Even if you are maybe a bit older, like late 30s, 40s, it will boost that score and you'll be able to be selected from the pool. Now, note that this is a one-year initiative that will run from January 2nd, 2025 to December 31st, 2025. So this new initiative will target skilled labor that is not available locally to help fill labor market needs of employers in 4 pilot communities: Lona County, Leeds and Greenville, Sarnia, Lambton, and City of Thunder Bay. Please note that the Ready Pilot offers a pathway to permanent residence for skilled foreign workers with a job offer who want to live and work in the pilot community. So you're going to get PR. It's important to note that for 2025, they have 200 nomination spaces for each community. So in total, you're going to have 800 nomination spaces. The main purpose of this particular program is to attract highly skilled foreign talent to Ontario. To be eligible to apply for this particular program, it says that applicants would qualify if they have a full-time job offer. That is the thing. So any position that is full-time, not part-time, apply for it. And that the applicant qualifies for any of the OINP employer job offer streams. In case you are new to Canada immigration, let me explain it briefly for you. They give you a CRS score based on your skills, qualifications, language test result, and if you have family in Canada. So there is a pool where the Canadian government selects the highest ranking candidates, inviting them to apply. So you have to be in that pool. Based on your score, there is a cutoff mark and they would be able to select you. I made a video about how to calculate your CRS score. I'll put it up here. When you click on the OINP expression of interest, this opens. I just want to show you the list of programs that might make you eligible for this. Can you see? Employer job offer, foreign worker stream, employer job offer, international student stream, employer job offer, in-demand skills stream, master's graduate stream, PhD graduate stream. So you can apply for any of these. If you apply for any of these, it depends on your education, language, all those things I've listed. I just wanted to show you, this is where you submit your application. Once you get a job offer, you come here and you choose one of the streams that you're going to apply for. Then you submit your application. How to register an expression of interest. Read the stream requirements to ensure you are eligible. There are a few things you need to consider. Please just note that you can only register for one stream at a time. You cannot register for all of them at the same time. And there are no fees, so you don't need to pay to register. Expression of interest. This page also has some valuable information that you might need. I'm just going to breeze off this page because the main thing is getting that job. Once you get that job, things become easier. But you can take your time and read everything here. Everything here can be understood. Trust me, it's not as difficult as many people make it to look like, but you can take your time to read everything here. It tells you everything about registration and who to contact. But let me summarize it for you on this page. You see this page, Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program. Welcome to Opportunity. Now, when you scroll that, I'll put it in the link in the description box. So it says, are you interested in becoming a permanent resident in Canada? So this is a pathway. It says that you have to have a full-time or permanent job offer in Ontario, or a master's or a PhD degree from an eligible Ontario university. Then the first thing you have to do is to submit an expression of interest. Next, you will receive an invitation from the OINP, and then you apply. Then the next thing is, if approved, you will receive a certificate of nomination. That is when you can now submit your visa application and all those things. So this is what it has to be. But you have to have a profile on the IRCC Express Entry System. If you want me to do a video on how to do that, just put it in the comment box. You want to know how to create your profile on the IRCC Express Entry System. I'm doing this because many people have contacted me that they have duped them. They have duped them because gave an agent 50 million, 20 million naira to do stuff like this for you, not knowing that they will just eat your money and run away because you don't know all the steps. Even if you pay an agent, you need to know all these steps so that if something goes wrong, people are receiving 10 years ban. 10 years ban from Canada means you might not even be able to go to the UK. You can't go to 5 countries. Anyway, that's not what we're after, but let's just concentrate on this part. We have to go back to the initial page so that I can visit all the communities. I'll show you how to apply for jobs. So we are back to this initial page, partnering communities. We click on Learner County. So when we click on it, this is what it looks like. This is their website. Whenever you visit a page like this and you're looking for jobs, just click on the search button and type in jobs. Search. And then you can see these options here. You can see this one, land in Lanark County, employment assistance, career opportunities. Click on that one there. And when you click on it, you see this page like this. You scroll down, you can see opportunities under public works, social services, and corporate services. Then you can go down, you see other opportunities. You see this one, job title, always apply for full-time, don't apply for part-time. Now you see paramedic, there is no opportunity there yet. Accommodation, different things. You can contact them if you want maybe regular info about when opportunities come up. But this is not the best option. These people don't update their websites very often. The most effective way of getting a job in Canada is to go to their job sites, Canada job sites, and look for jobs. Let's go to the next community. It's Leeds and Greenville. So let's just click on that, United Counties, and it takes a while to open, but just be patient when you click on it. Once it opens, the next thing you would see this find work. It's red here. See it, find work. So you just click on that. You didn't even need to look for jobs, search jobs. So it says searching and applying for jobs. It says there are different employment and education centers that they can help you out with that employment in this region. But they said visit websites, and the first one they provided there is jobbank.gc.ca. If you are looking for a job in Canada or you want to come into Canada and you don't know Job Bank and it's not bookmarked on your laptop, then you're not ready. You're not ready to look for jobs. So it says they post hundreds of new openings every day. And when you click on that, next thing you're going to do is you type in Ontario here in the search bar. You can type in province of Ontario and just select the option that is best and then search. Now you can see 333,368 job opportunities. What do we do when we are looking for a job? We select the one we are interested in. I don't know which particular job title you're after. You can search for it. And when you click on it, for example, we clicked on this welder, we scroll down. First of all, check whether they will allow outsiders to apply. Like this one, who can apply to this job? You can see that it's only apply to this job if you are a Canadian citizen or you have a valid Canadian visa. So they will not accept you. Do not apply. Don't waste your time. Just get out and then come and search for another job. For example, I click on this web programmer and let's just check it out. I don't know what skill you have. It says one vacancy, and then when we scroll down, it says you can apply. Who can apply to this job? The employer accepts applications from Canadian citizens and permanent residents and other candidates with or without a valid Canadian work permit. So you can apply for this particular job now. I'll put this link in the description box anyway. Yeah, so that is you can go to this other job, which is www.gojobs.gov.on. There are many job sites apart from these ones. Even Indeed is here. Let's visit the next community, which is Sonia Lambton. Yeah, and we click on that, and then the next page opens. When this particular page opens, you can see that the Ready pilot program is already on the first page here. Next, scroll down to the page. You can read everything that they have here. It's similar to what we have in the previous page I showed you about. In fact, it is exactly the same thing. They have the link for employer job offer stream. If you want to apply, you have to have a job offer first. But you can see the different streams are here. If you have a job offer, you can apply for any of these 3 streams that are listed here. I'm just taking my time to show you all these things so you know how easy it is. And if an agent is saying something, you are in tune with what the agent is saying. That's why I'm saying this. Okay, let's just scroll down because job offer is the cocoa, is the main thing we are after. So you click on this particular link here, and this page opens. It's the place where you're going to have access to some of the jobs. So scroll down to the bottom of the page and you see this place saying careers in Sonia Lambton. Click on it. This page opens. You can see find a job. That is where you're going to click on. Now, I know it looks complicated, but it's so easy to find. Just follow the steps I have here. Now we have this find a job. So you can just click on work in Sonia Lambton Community Job Board. There are these 3 links. You can visit all of them. Anyway, we've clicked on that first one there. And you can see the list of jobs here. 465 jobs. Yeah, you can explore any of them. Apply. I don't know what skill you have, but just click on them. Apply. Make sure it's full-time. And that is a good way to start. Visit this page as often as possible. That's all I can tell you. Just visit this page as often as you can, because they will be bringing new openings and it might be in an area where you have a skill already on. Let's click on County of Lambton Job Board. On the next page, when it opens, you see job opportunities. Scroll down to new applicants, view current job opportunities, and then on this page you can see there are 15 jobs on this particular page. Scroll through them. Anyone that really resonates with you, you can apply. That's how you can go about it. If you're a carer, you can see personal support worker. You can see many other job opportunities. I'm just in a hurry so that I can see all the places where you can search for jobs every day. Bookmark them and search for jobs every day. Don't forget to buy my Canadian CV template in the description box. I'm going to put it in the comments too. Buy a copy so that you can start applying with a good CV. Next, click on Indeed, and then when it opens, you see the page like this. I made a video about Newfoundland and Labrador, so just check it out. But see this place, you put in Sonia, you see ON, that's Ontario, and click find jobs. You can see there are 400 plus jobs here. There's so many jobs here. Choose one that aligns with your skills and everything and apply. It's as easy as that. I'm just showing you so many jobs you can apply for, but I know that you have to sift through it. You have to put the exact title that you want to go into, something like that. Just put it in there, put in the name of the county and search for the one that really aligns with you and just apply. That's all I can say about this. Note that you need to do WES evaluation of your educational certificates and also make sure that you have your work experience evidence. Even pictures matter nowadays as evidence, as well as your IELTS. Yeah, make sure you score high. Now let's just go to the next community, which is the city of Thunder Bay. And once we click on it, it takes a while to open anyway, but you can see this community has a different type of vibe. They say it's a small city, but big possibilities. I believe them. It's really big. The first thing you have to do is go to how we help. Under it, there's health recruitment. Now, if you're into health, and maybe that's the skill you have. You want to be a personal support worker or something like that. This is what you do. Once this page opens, you can see it's health recruitment. It says they have over 20 primary care clinics. Just scroll down, you see practice. If you are a doctor or something like that, you go for that one. But you see this one that is careers, PSW, that's personal support worker. So if you train for it, this is what you do. You come here, you click on jobs. You can see the different providers, care providers here. What you have to do, simply do, is click on one of them. As simple as this, like this Base Shore Home Solutions. Click on it. You can see their phone number and their email address. You can write them, but you can also go to careers. Under career, you can see that there are different options here. Now you can go to careers in Canada excluding Quebec. When this page opens, you know that they said there are 697 jobs, so you have to target the ones that are in Ontario. Remember that this is a company that has branches in different parts of Canada. So we want to be included in this OINP. That's why you're targeting Ontario. So apply for jobs in Ontario. I only visited one, which is Bayshore. And there are other care providers like Care Partners. Try all of them. I'm just showing you how to go about your job search. And it's so easy to do. Bookmark them and search through them every day. Anyway, let's just go back. In case you are interested in medical technologists, maybe that's the job role you have. There are different options here: veterinary, rehabilitation. But let's try technologies, Click on that one. You can see that there are medical technology jobs. This is for those people who are medical lab technologists, or maybe sonographers, ECG technicians, pharmacy technicians. So this is for you. Click on the jobs bar there. You can see the list of companies that offer such or employ people with this particular role. So you visit each of them. As simple as that. Visit each of them, look for their careers, or work for us, or join us, or something like that, and you're good to go. It's that easy. Let's say you've been working in the ICT sector of your home country. You can go under key sectors, click on ICT. This is another way you can get jobs. I'm just showing you everything. Click on ICT, that's Information Communication Technologies. And when this page opens, what you're going to do is you're looking for the top providers in this particular sector. Down here it says the 3 top providers are T-Batel, Bell, Shaw, TELUS, and Virgin. So just go to the websites and look for under careers and apply for jobs, or work for us and apply for jobs. That's as simple as that. Visit any of the top providers there and apply for jobs. Most likely they will even have the license, the LMIA. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you benefited a lot from it. Remember to share this video with your family and friends through your WhatsApp groups, your Telegram groups. Many people need this information. They need to know the steps they need to take in order to take advantage of opportunities like this. If this is something that you feel you would be willing to do, so why not share this video in all your WhatsApp and Telegram groups so that it can reach as many people as possible. Thank you so much for watching once again. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.